Okay. Korean corn dogs. Sweet potato. Yeast. Warm water. Flour. Maple sugar. Salt. Let this sit out for about an hour. Here's the difference after an hour. Panko. Kimchi. Black pepper. Ketchup. Kimchi. So I'm frying this up in a canola oil right now. You want to make sure that your oil is set to 350 degrees. Any less, then the cheese will start to melt before the outside cooks. Any more, the outside will cook before the inside, vice versa. Cook the little tentacles. Top it with a little bit of sugar if you'd like. This is the OG way to do it, and it's really good. Try it out. Look at that, dude. Look at the little tentacles. Beautiful looking corn dog. That was a lot of cheese.